Hi and welcome to Classic MGB and another Viewers Cars episode. For this one, we're off to Norfolk in the UK and a lovely MGB roadster owned by artist Gerard Stamp. Now, this story began over 60 years ago, so let's dive straight in. On the 18th of December 1963, chassis number GHN326838, a roadster finished in Chelsea grey with red interior rolled off the MG production line in Abingdon. A couple of weeks later, on the 31st of December, Gerard's uncle Ross paid Performance Cars of Brentford £940, 3 shillings and 4pence for the car, and picked it up on January the 1st to ensure it received the new B registration. He and his wife Alice loved MGs, having previously owned a TD, but EMK 947B was to be their only car for the rest of their lives. Not only was it used on a daily basis around their home in Hertfordshire, they also holidayed all over the country and beyond, even using it to tow a caravan. Ross was a scientist and engineer, and over the years made extensive alterations to the car, including the fog lights inset into the grille, the little removable picnic table between the seats, his and hers heaters in the footwell, and metal kick plates on the doors. Keen observers will notice the repositioned combined oil pressure and temperature gauge, replacing the panel dimmer in front of the driver. Mechanically, MGB GT springs and wheels were fitted to the rear, and the gear ratios were altered to assist low-speed acceleration whilst towing the caravan. There were also 2 fans fitted, one in front activated by a dashboard switch. Another unusual feature was a modification to allow a starting handle to be used. For those that are too young to remember these, and that actually includes me, this allowed the engine to be started by hand using a handle connected to the crankshaft. The car was partially restored in 1985, where it received the wrong front wings for its year, but all the servicing and mechanical maintenance was carried out by Ross at home. When Ross died in 2017, the car was briefly inherited by Gerard's sister, but as she had little interest in cars, she agreed to hand the keys to Gerard, as he'd had 3 MGBs and an MGTC in the past. He removed the tow bar and returned the gear ratios back to standard, but the rest of the alterations have remained. Recently, the MG Owners Club carried out a bare metal respray after attending to some rust in the wings. Whilst in the workshop, the car was checked and found to require very little work, proclaiming the engine to be the quietest they'd ever heard, with impressive oil pressure. Gerard has produced a few videos of the car, and these are linked in the description, together with Gerard's website featuring his impressive artworks. It's great that this car has been in the family for over 60 years, and as Gerard's son loves the car as much as he does, it will probably stay in the family for a long time to come. If you'd like your car featured in a future Viewers Cars episode, drop us an email at hello@classicmgb.com telling us all about the car and adding a few pictures. If you've got some video, then so much the better. Finally, if you've enjoyed this video, it'd be great if you'd like and share it. And if you want to know when we upload new content, feel free to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. As always, thanks for watching and take care.